Good. Good evening, Biswajita Pani.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
Achha, your interview is going to be on which date?
On 4th, sir.
4th. Achha, ma'am. In which place?
Bangalore, regional office, Central Bank.
Oh, Bengaluru, Central of C.B.I.
Yes,
Regional
sir.
Office. Very good, very good. Are you working somewhere in Bengaluru now?
Yes, sir. I'm working in Bangalore.
That is why. Very good, very good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell us about yourself briefly?
Sir, I'm Biswajita Pani. I have 11 years of experience in banking sector. In my 1 years of experience in Utkal Gramin Bank, I had exposure to rural credit and agricultural credit. In my experience in Indian Overseas Bank, I have worked 3 years in as a branch head in one branch having the business of 30 crore, and where I achieved all the parameters, successfully achieved all the parameters and reduced the NP of 10 crores. Currently, I am working as a second line officer come advance officer in the in a branch with business of 160 crore. And my strength is I possess the team spirit and licensing skill, which helps me in reducing NPA and cross-selling of parabanking products. Right now, I am looking for an opportunity where I can upgrade my skill and get better exposure. This is about only about me, sir.
You are in scale 2?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
How many kids do you have?
One kid, sir.
What is the age of the child?
7 years.
Then what is your husband doing?
My husband is a software engineer in TCS.
Acha, acha. Software engineer in TCS. TCS has now entered into some big contract in UK. Are you aware of that?
No, sir. Not.
I think they have entered into a big contract with some foreign company in UK.
Okay.
They are going to do some important work. Please get to know about it.
Okay, sir.
Because your husband is working in TCS, you must know that. Good. Now, you are already working in our IOB. Why do you want to come to our central bank?
Sir, it will be a great platform to work in a central bank because which exposure I have and experience I gained in Indian Overseas Bank, I can utilize in the Central Bank of India, and my job knowledge and work experience, it will be almost same in the Central Bank of India, and I'll be a good case for them if I can my exposure as a branch manager and a credit officer will also get utilized in the Central Bank of India, and I want to stick to their organization, and that I want to grow with that organization.
You are only in scale 2. What makes you think that you are eligible for scale 4?
Sir, I am my experience in Indian Overseas Bank as credit officer and branch manager and all the performance relating to advance or general banking, customer dealing, cross-selling of para-banking products, and my particularly my licensing skill, which helps in generally for recovery of NPA. All these will be helpful in Central Bank of BM also.
Can
So
you,
all these things keeping in eye,
yeah, can you
I
tell
think
me
I can also do the proper
what is the job role of a scale 4 officer in central bank?
job role. Job role is basically it is relating to decision making or problem solving type of things or licensing with our authorities
Hmm.
and propose assessing the proposals. I
Hmm.
feel I have the knowledge of doing all this. If any gap will be there, I think in the training given or any online courses, I'll be update myself and make suitable for that post.
Which
If
area
any lacuna
which
found.
area you are very strong?
I'm strong in proposal in the balance sheet analysis
Mm-hmm.
and the
Acha.
proposal digital banking. I am also good at.
Mm-hmm.
Simultaneously, I'm good at licensing with the customer. Licensing skill I have,
Good. Now, can you tell
which helps
me?
me in recovery of NPA.
Can you tell me something about balance sheet analysis? How you are?
Balance sheet,
Tell me.
yes, sir. Balance sheet is the interpretation of items in shows the financial health of an organization, where we'll make important interpretations of ratios from profit and loss account and balance sheet to know the health of the organization and the previous history, and it correlate with the firms in the other sector and also in the same sector, and also get the history of that company. And after assessing all these things, we can expect that projectability and the viability of the company in the near future.
Now, can you tell me what are the ratios you'll be looking into?
Sir, generally in the current account working capital appraisal, we used to use the current ratio, debt equity ratio, and in the project appraisal in the long term proposals, we used to do debt service coverage ratio, interest coverage ratio.
Good. No problem. Please tell me about your experience relating to MSME sector.
Sir, MSME sector,
Yeah.
it is the growing sector of the country, and government is giving more emphasis on the MSME sector, because MSME contributes to almost manufacturing sector contributes 32% to the economy.
Mm.
And MSME sector our bank is giving more focus on in the business of MSME sector.
Mm.
And in the MSME sector, it is the most important sector for the export point of view, and also the growth of the economy, and as it provides more employment opportunities to the economy.
Mm.
Our bank is so many schemes are there in MSME schemes, where shall I need to tell the criteria and also?
No. What is the definition of MSME? Then, what are the different facilities given to MSME? What are the various industries in which MSME is engaged? And then your contribution in MSME, like what are the major advances you have entertained, like that?
Okay. So MSME is the as per the classification of MSME, the turnover in the plant and machinery investment criteria should be 1 crore up to 1 crore, and the turnover up to 5 crore, and it is micro industries. Next is small industries, where the plant and the investment turnover criteria is 10,000 crore to and
Hello, 10,000 crore, 10 crore.
10 crore, sorry, 10 crore, and in turnover is 50 crore. And medium sector enterprises is plant and investment. The turnover plant and machinery will be the 50 crore, and turnover will be the 250 crore.
Correct.
And MSME classification, we have to give the customers margin up to 7.5 lakh. 25% of the margin we have to maintain. And our bank, one scheme is MSME Easy. SME Easy we are providing, where we are giving the customer, if they are providing collateral and they are the newly rising industries, then we are with interest concession we are giving. If they are providing collateral security fully, then we are giving more concessions with the MSME loan.
Are you aware what is meant by C.B.I? What is C.B.I?
Small Industries Development Bank of India. It is a refinance bank, and Mudra is the sponsor of this C.B.I bank.
Hmm. Can you tell me something about Mudra loans?
Mudra is micro unit and development agency, and where we are giving the loans. It is categorized in the Sisu, Kishore and Tarun. Up to 5 lakh it will be Sisu, 5 to 50 lakh it will be Kishore, 50 to 1 crore will be Tarun scheme.
No. Please tell me what is Sishu, Kishore, Tarun?
Sisu means we are providing the loan up to 50,000. Sir, I'm not confused actually. Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to remember.
Immediately you got confused between, because we were talking in lakhs. Now immediately when we want to come down, yeah, maximum loan is 10 lakhs only. Correct. 50,000 up to 5 lakh, then 10 lakhs.
Up to 50,000, then 5 lakh, up to then 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
Suzuki, sir. Yeah, correct, sir. I'll update myself, sir.
Yeah. Which sectors are eligible for Mudra loan?
Mudra loan is eligible for micro sectors, manufacturing sector, and trading sector also. We are providing Mudra loan. Retail trading.
Can Mudra loans be given for pisciculture, poultry, and other things?
Mudra loans we cannot give for. It will be given for the income generating activities. We can provide for Mudra loan for pisciculture, sericulture, aquaculture, piggery, goattery, and we can provide if they are for income generating activities.
Okay. Good. Now, your bank was under prompt corrective action.
Yes, sir.
Central Bank was also under prompt corrective action.
Yes, sir.
Which bank came out of prompt corrective action earlier?
Sir, our bank came out earlier in
Oh.
2022 20 from 2015 until 2017 it came out. And PCA came out 2017 it entered central bank, and 2022 it came out.
Oh, that's right. Can you please tell me what is prompt corrective action?
Sir, prompt corrective action is a step taken by RBI when any bank's profit level deteriorates, net NPL level increases, and their asset quality are very low. That time RBI tries to take some alert measures. That is the PCA measures they used to take, whereby they are restricted for the branch expansion and some capital expenditure. Some things they are restricted. Some other the conditions they are get restricted.
No, you can't say some, you must specify. For example, they cannot go for recruitment. They cannot go for branch expansion. They cannot take any big new advances or new advances. You must have experienced that. When you were having prompt corrective action, were you permitted to give loan?
Sir, that time we are restricted ourselves not to advance any risky and stressed sectors, and we are more focusing to the RAM sector, where it will be diversification of risk. That time we are emphasizing on RAM sector, and still today also our bank is more emphasizing on RAM sector.
RAM sector means
retail agri and MSME sector.
Retail agri and MSME. Good. Excellent. Good. So now is this prompt correct? On which banks this prompt corrective action is applicable?
Sir, it is applicable to all the banks when there are any symptoms. RBI will find any symptoms from any bank who is having the losing their capital, not in a position to perform well, and their asset quality deteriorates and NPL level rises, it is RBI can put on their market
Is it
analysis. They can
is it applicable on foreign banks?
foreign banks, sir, it is not applicable.
It is applicable. The revised framework applies to all banks operating in India, including foreign banks operating through branches of subsidiaries based on breach of risk thresholds of identified indicators.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But
I'll update.
some banks are exempted from this. I am posting a video on this just now. I am posting it. And payment banks and small finance banks are not covered under prompt corrective action. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yeah, sir.
very good. Then what is capital adequacy ratio?
Sir, capital adequacy is a ratio of how much capital bank is having with respect to the risk-weighted assets. And the formula goes like that: total tier 1 capital plus tier 2 capital divided by the total risk-weighted assets of the company or organization, which
Super.
includes risk-weighted assets of credit risk, market risk, and operational risk.
Super, good. So how do you imagine our banking scenario in the next 10 years to come? What do you think will be the situation of the scenario? Right now, we have 12 public sector banks. We have 20 private sector banks and all that. So many small finance banks, so many payment banks, etc.
Coming to the current situation.
Yeah, this is the current situation. What do you think it will be after 10 years from now?
Sir, regarding whole banking industry, or I need to mention about only
entire
public
banking industry.
Yes, sir. Regarding the current situation, all the banks are facing tough competition regarding the digitalization, NPA issue, and customer retention. So this is the time when we can we should banks should have good corporate governance and adequate capacity building courses will be given to the staff, so that we can make come to the competition in the market. Third thing, we should be more digitalized and techno savvy, so that we can follow the global level competition. Fourth thing, the major challenge of the banking industry now also in the quality of capital we are maintaining. Before it is only capital, now it will be replaced by leverage ratio. Means how much cushion we can make from our good times, how much money or assets we can create for to meet our bad times. This is the challenging positions now for the all banking industry.
Good. Now, can you tell me this question? That is, how has digitalization of banks helped banks and also customers?
Sir, digitalization is a boon for the economy. Basically, for the banks, we are facing technologically, we are very back before. On the merge of digitalizations, our things are getting more fastly. We are moving. Customers like Jam Trinity, one concept is there, where Jandan, Aadhaar, and mobile, where we are increasing our financial inclusion and through digitalization also. The digitalization means in the mobile, OTP concept is there. Customer are getting with the less hassle. They are able to get financial inclusion and all the access, all the digital products. And financial inclusion, our financial inclusion index shows, digital financial index shows 50% we have achieved. And our major achievement in the UPI sector. And with UPI, India will be the growing and most successful country in the world, where UPI, with UPI we have around 10 billion transactions in 1 month. So digitalization in a very much good manner, it is going in our country, and all the banks are following the products digital onboarding, and in the advance also we are for using the digitalization techniques to avoid the to get less time and make them work in efficient manner.
Good. Actually, these points, namely, it has improved the convenience, it has improved efficiency, it has improved better customer experience, and improved security, lower costs, and enhanced data analysis, increased competition, faster payment processing. All these points you said, but you were not clear in bringing out this particular points. Understand? All you covered,
Yeah,
all
sir.
you covered faster payment processing, you covered competition, but you did not touch upon enhanced data analysis. Lower costs, of course, you did not mention. Improved security, you mentioned. Customer experience, you said. Increased efficiency, you did not specifically tell that. Otherwise, you covered all the points. Very good. Please tell me, what is cryptocurrency?
Sir, cryptocurrency, it is a currency which is in the backed by decentralized financing, and it has the nature of speculative, because it is not controlled by the government or not by the government, backed by any asset, and it is more prone to the illegal activities.
Can you
Government
tell?
is not in
Can you tell me a few cryptocurrencies you know?
Bitcoin, sir, one example of cryptocurrencies.
Then
Um, I
Ethereum,
cannot.
Ethereum,
Sorry, sir. Ethereum.
Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, Cardano, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Doge, D-O-G-E, then Polkadot, Chainlink, Litecoin.
Okay, sir. I'll get it up.
Now,
About it.
probably you may get a question. What is the difference between cryptocurrency and our digital rupee?
Sir, the main difference is our CBDC is backed by legal tender, government asset it is backed by, and it will be more secured, and it is easily traceable, which is not will get in the cryptocurrency. Second difference is cryptocurrency, it will have the
No, cryptocurrency value will differ from time to time, whereas the value of Indian rupee is same. Digital rupee is same. It won't vary.
same. Okay, and the crypto in the digital currency also, customers are also, it will be a hazy picture around the customer regarding the use of cryptocurrency, but because still India in the 40 crore of population, they are using feature phones, so it will be also a challenge for the due to great digital divide.
Good. Now, very nice. Now, summing up, please tell me why we should consider you for this post. What are the qualities you have that are needed for scale 4 that you are possessing? Please elaborate that.
Sir, coming to the this question, sir, I want my exposure like in a branch manager and credit officer will and the analysis of balance sheet.
Good.
I am confident that I am able to perform the responsible and challenging as post assigned to this post, and I have a good listening skill, which can help the organizations to in the long run, and also for my development also. It will be a great platform to me to showcase my skills.
Excellent. Then आप और भी points बोल सकते हैं, like I possess good leadership skill, and besides
Yes.
the listening skill, good communication skill, decision making skill, I possess
Sir,
physical fitness. I am physically fit enough to take the challenges, problem solving skills, and I have the ability to give attention to detail to get the problem solved. My integrity is of the high order. I possess excellent interpersonal skills and I'm adaptable to circumstances, and I possess resilience. I will not give up things. I will try again and again and get success. Something like that. आप बोलने से हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
correct, sir. I'll definitely tell. But that resilience, sir, resilience meaning I'll get.
Resilience means not giving up. एक बार फेल होने से तो उसको छोड़ेगा नहीं, सेकंड टाइम थर्ड टाइम भी ट्राई करेगा जब तक हमको सक्सेस होना चाहिए.
Sir, I have that quality also, sir. But I have when any things I assigned to me, I am definitely try to do anyway by asking my coordinates or subordinates. Anyway, I want to perform the task.
Good, very good, excellent. Do you want any more questions or is it okay? I am happy with
Sir,
whatever you have said. I am okay. But आपका मन क्या बोलता है? You want me to ask some more questions?
sir, I want to know any area of point where I need to improve or.
No, you are answering very well. No problem. But only thing
Sir,
is,
my questions now answering way before it was very lengthy and all. Now whether it will be crisp and concise or night and
yeah,
nine need to product.
no, it
Certain.
is okay. It is okay. Now you have reduced it, and that way, this is good. This is good. This is good only. No problem. No, the questions can come from any way. For example, I have a lot of questions here. Why crimes are committed on banks? What are the crimes committed on bank? What are the marketing principles? Then what is sustainable development goal? Then sustainable development goal. But everything can be asked. Everything need not be asked also. समझ गए
Yes.
आपको? Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
They can ask.
yeah, anything you can ask, they can ask you, and anything they need, then like that. Then otherwise, you are able to tell nicely, but the only thing is you must get some comfortable questions when you go there. That is what is more important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because
Sir,
now you tell me, compared to your earlier days participation and now, are you happy about your performance improved or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have tried a lot and I
Mm.
think I have improved.
Very good. Good. That feeling is what is required. Go with confidence. This stage you will definitely clear. Next stage में तो देखना है कैसे होगा. So like what is that man's name? Gaurav, na? Your
Indian overseas, sir.
Madurai boy,
Yeah, Gaurav.
Gaurav. Most of you will be clearing it. It's not a problem. Only next stage may you must try to improve your further clarification of things and all that. It is not, you can try it. It's not a problem. So best wishes. And after this interview is over, don't give it up. Be preparing for GD. Be preparing for your next round of interview also. Okay.
Okay, sir. If they will, sir, one query, sir.
Yeah.
If they will do this exam, whether they are going to the in-depth analysis of credit appraisal and all.
No. That is why I have not asked very deep. I have not asked very much deep, only because that I just asked what is balance sheet analysis, because you told me I know balance sheet analysis. So I wanted you to tell what is balance sheet analysis.
Okay, I can tell them also, na, there?
Yeah, you can tell them like what you did. Basics only you cover. Okay,
sir.
otherwise,
Yeah, sir.
Otherwise, you did a good job, but then भगवान का हाथ में है, वो क्या सोच रहे हैं पता नहीं, उसका
Thank
बारे
you,
में
sir.
आपको
Thank you very
रिसर्च
much, sir. Due to
बेस्ट,
you only my confidence come go job, sir.
yeah, very good, best wishes. God bless you. I
Sir,
am
this recording will share me, please, sir.
yeah. I will. Shall I put it for everybody, or you want it for you only?
No problem, sir. Anywhere you can